Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday morning in the HBJ household today, and so it's cooking day. Yesterday I worked in the garden. I might do a little bit more today, trying to get my soil prepped for planting next weekend. You can go back and check that video out and see what we did. Lots of planning goes into getting your garden ready to put your seeds in the ground, and so that's what we did yesterday, and I'll probably do a little bit more this week. But anyway, today what I'm going to do is salmon patties. So that's what I'm going to make today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's an extremely simple recipe, not a lot of ingredients at all, and she really enjoys them, and they're very good for you. So let's get started. To get started, we have about a 14.75 ounce can of pink Alaskan salmon, and so we're going to go ahead, and we did drain it. We're going to put it in our bowl, mix it up really good. You can see it breaks up very easy. Then we have a little under a quarter of a cup of all-purpose flour. I don't know that I'm going to use it all, so let's put about that much in. And then I have a little under a quarter of a cup of cornmeal. Don't know that I'm going to use it all. You want to just use enough to make the consistency right. So let's mix it up. We're going to add an egg. So yep, I think I'm going to have to add a little bit more in my flour and my cornmeal. Now, lots of people like to add onions or bell peppers, you know, any kind of vegetable that you might want. You don't have to. This just happens to be the way my mom likes them. Sort of like the fried green tomatoes that I made a couple of years ago. There's a video out on that. Very simple, not a lot of ingredients. We're going to add some salt and pepper. We use pink Himalayan salt. She's going to love these. This will make about 4 patties, so let's go ahead and start making our patties here. Just like hamburger patties. So yeah, we got about 4 patties out of it. Now we're going to go ahead and heat up our canola oil. We use canola oil. Some people use olive oil. We prefer canola oil over olive oil for this because one of the times I tried to do, it really smoked up the house and it wouldn't get up to a good fry. I have my canola oil in the pan and I have it set on about 5 medium heat. And we're going to let this heat up before we put our salmon patties in there. I think our oil is ready, so now we're going to put our salmon patties in to fry up. You can make them a little bit thicker if you want, but I prefer to make them like a hamburger size, because if my mom wants, she can eat them on a bun or she can just eat them by themselves with a vegetable. These were real popular when I was growing up in the 70s. My mom used to make these up, and to get us to eat them because we didn't want no salmon, was she would put syrup or honey on them, and she made them like salmon pancakes. That's what she called them. So we're going to fry these up until I start to see the edges get a little brown, and then we'll flip them. This one's starting to turn a little brown on the edge, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, perfect. Give these a little bit more. That one was one of the smaller ones or the thinner one. But look at that great crust. Salmon is very high in your omega vitamins or your omega supplements. Very good for you. Look how those are turning out, guys. These haven't taken very long to cook. I'd say maybe so far about 7 or 8 minutes. Look at how good these turned out, folks. So I'm going to set them here and let them drain a little bit. Get them ready to deliver to my mom, but you can see they turned out quite delicious. Here is the finished product. We thank you guys for watching. Be sure and subscribe and like the video and click that little bell if you want to get notifications from us. We appreciate each and every one of you. Have a blessed Sunday. Take care and God bless.